Yo, what is up, guys? My name is Benoy, and today we will be playing RPG World. If you guys don't know what RPG World is, it's a game where you can, you can kill people, and it's very good animated. Crack Up made this. Right there, that's the creator. And there's a new update in here, so let's go check it out. Oh, if you guys don't know this, just before I became a YouTuber, there's I played this when I was not a YouTuber still, because I just wanted to check out some graphics of this game. Then after that I became a YouTuber, so if anybody of you want some money, you guys can go friend me and I can trade you some of my pets. Yeah guys, that's all I wanted to do. You guys, that's all what I wanted to say. So guys, if you guys don't know this, and you've been playing this game, is that a hacker? Guys, that's a hacker. I think we should delete him. Guys, let's play. Have you guys ever played The Streets 2? I know I have, but instead of that, I'm going to be playing camping! Yay! It's like a very cool game. I'll show you guys. I'm just showing my friend just in case. Yeah, guys. So, yeah, guys. Welcome to camping! That's my friend right there. I'm gonna say, I just told him that I'm going to camping! Yay! Is my friend here? No, my friend! No! Don't leave me! Whatever. Ooh, so we went to a very light wall. Specky woods. Wow. Today, you and your friends will have an amazing exploring the wonders of the forest. I'm actually scared. What if there's Slender Man in here somewhere? Slender Man is in the forest somewhere. He's very scary. Dude, football dude. You look like more like an army dude. He okay, yeah, whatever. Can I go in here? What? I can go here. If you guys don't know how to get the shift lock button, you can just go in the settings right here. And there's like shift lock switch right here, and you gotta turn it on. So yeah, guys. Yo, guys. And am I locked in here? Oh yeah, I thought I was. Hey, stop it. Oh. What is he doing all day? I think he wants to get attacked by Slenderman. Or is he just exploring the forest? Whatever, I'm just gonna end it here. Bye, guys.